Hey guys, so here I have my video playing in Premiere Pro. To resize a video, we need to export it and change the size settings. So go ahead and go to File menu and go to Export and then go to Media. So the export settings show up. Now here under Format option, make sure you have H.264 selected. Now go down and you'll see here under Basic Video Settings, uncheck this checkbox over here by width and height settings, and this will allow you to resize your video to any resolution. I'm going to resize my video width to 200 and the height will automatically rescale as well, but you can also uncheck the chain icon and enter height yourself and then just hit export button. So at this point I have my resized video on my hard drive. I'm going to drag it back into the editor just to see if the size has actually changed. So here it is. Obviously, you will need to select the width and height that matches your purpose, whether it's HD format or whatever else you're trying to resize to.